Why smart investors are moving into Dubai right now when everyone else is scared. I want to start this video by saying something that most real estate agents in Dubai won't say to you. The market right now, it is uncertain. There is a lot going on globally. Interest rates, geopolitics, currency fluctuations. I hear from investors every single week, is now the right time? Should I wait? What if it drops? And I get it, I genuinely do. When you're moving serious capital across borders into a market you might not even physically be standing in, uncertainty feels very dangerous. But I want to show you something today, because in 4 years of working in this market, the investors who have built real wealth in Dubai, almost every single one of them bought during a moment that felt uncertain. So let's talk about why that is, and what it actually means for you right now. We've seen a significant run-up in prices over the last few years. Some areas have doubled, some have more than doubled. So naturally, people are asking, have we missed it? Is this a bubble? And globally, yes, there is noise. The US, Europe, Asia, everyone is navigating a complex environment. That makes people cautious. That's not irrational, but that's smart. Here's the thing though. Uncertainty and risk are not the same thing, and I think a lot of investors confuse the two. Uncertainty means the future is unclear. Risk means you could actually lose. They feel the same, but they're very different. And when you understand the difference, Dubai looks completely different too. So here's what I actually see when I look at this market right now, and what I want to walk you through. 3 things specifically. Number 1, uncertainty creates negotiating power. When sentiment is high and everyone is rushing in, you pay peak prices, you compete with 10 other buyers, and developers don't move on anything. Right now, developers are listening. Payment plans are more flexible, there's room to negotiate that simply didn't exist 12 months ago. The uncertainty that's keeping other investors on the sideline is the exact thing giving you leverage. Number 2, the fundamentals of Dubai haven't changed. Zero income tax, one of the highest rental yields in the world. We're talking 6, 7, sometimes even 8% in the right areas. A government that is actively investing in infrastructure and positioning Dubai as a global hub for the next 30 years. Golden visas tied to property investment. None of that has changed. The headlines have changed, the fundamentals haven't. Number 3, off-plan specifically is built for uncertain moments. Here's something that doesn't get said enough when you buy off-plan in Dubai. You're not buying today's market, you're buying into a future delivery, typically 2, 3, sometimes 4 years out, which means the question isn't, is the market perfect today? The question is, where will this market be in 3 years? And on that question, I feel very good, because the supply pipeline, the population growth, the government's 2040 urban master plan, they all point in one direction. I'll give you a real example of the mindset I see in the investors who do well here. I had a client, international investor based in Europe, who came to me 2 years ago when sentiment around Dubai was mixed. Not as uncertain as today, but people were debating it. He said to me, everyone I talk to thinks I should wait. And I asked him one question, what are you waiting for? For the market to go up so you pay more, or for it to go down, which would mean something has gone structurally wrong? He bought a well-located off-plan unit, sensible payment plan, quality developer. Today that unit is worth significantly more than he paid, and he's collecting rental income on a second unit he added 6 months later. I'm not telling you that to say prices always go up, they don't. But what I'm saying is the investors who win in Dubai are not the ones who time the market perfectly. They're the ones who understand the market well enough to act with conviction when others are hesitating. So, is Dubai uncertain right now? Yes. Is that a reason not to invest? For most of the investors I work with, no. It's actually a reason to look more carefully, ask better questions, and find the right opportunity instead of chasing the hype. If you're an international investor trying to make sense of this market, not just the headlines, but the actual numbers, the right areas, the developers worth trusting, that's exactly what I do. Drop me a comment below with your biggest question about Dubai right now, or send me a DM.